When I add 4 times of my age 4 years from now to 5 times my age 5 years from now, I get 10 times my current age. How old will I be 3 years from now? If I take my age x, right? 4 years from now, that should be x plus 4. 4 times of this plus 5 times of my age from now, that is x plus 5, that is 5 years from now. 5 times of that is equal to 10 times of my age, right? 4x plus 16 plus 5x plus 25 is equal to 10x, right? What is this one? This one is 9x, okay, plus 41 is equal to 10x, right? So x equal to 41. What's the question? How old will I be 3 years from now? X is 41, that is current age. So answer should be 44. Most popular wrong answer is 41 years. The ratio between the present ages of P and Q is 5:7 respectively. If the difference between Q's present age, P's age after 6 years is 2. What is the P's and Q's present ages? I'll explain you two methods. The first one, P is to Q is equal to 5:7, right? That means P is equal to 5x, Q's age is equal to 7x. Here given Q's present, that means 7x. P's age after 6 years, now 5x, after 6 years it should be 5x plus 6. The difference is 2, it's given. 7x minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 2. What is this? 2x is equal to 8, x equal to 4. Once you know x equal to 4, then what's the question? What's the total age of P and Q's present ages? What's the P plus Q? P plus Q equal to 12x, right? 12x, that means 12 into 4, 48 years. Answer should be 48 years. Without this calculation, can you find out the answer? Yes. P is to Q is equal to 5:7, right? The ratio, present ratio is 5:7. What's the sum of the ratio? Sum of P and Q is 12. Sum of the ratio is 12. Sum of the ratio is 12 means answer should be multiples of 12. In this answer choice 48, only the multiples of 12, that should be the answer. No need to calculate anything. If it is given 4 answer choice are multiples of 12, then only you need to do this calculation. Have you understood? Next, sum of the ages of son and father is 56. After 4 years, age of the father will be 3 times that of the son. The ages respectively are, and go through the answer choices: 12,44, 16,42, 16,48, 18,36. Son and father, the age is 56, it is given, right? Go through the answer choices. Which satisfies this condition? Only first answer choice, 12,44, only 56, right? That only satisfies the condition. That should be the correct answer. No need to calculate s plus f equal to 56 equations. When the answer choices are given, just to use simple logic to find out the answer. Okay. Next, the age of the man 4 times that of his son. 5 years back, the man was 9 times as old as his son was at the time. The present age of the man is. I am going to tell you the two methods. The first method is wrong method to find right answer. The next one is right method to eliminate wrong options. Okay, if you know how to solve this question, this will take 2 minutes time. If you don't know how to solve this question, it will take only 2 seconds time to find out the answer. I'll tell you both the methods. Okay, what's a wrong method to find out the right answer? The age of the man is 4 times that of the son means first method. The first method, what I do using the equations, f equal to 4 times of s. 5 years ago means f minus 5 is equal to 9 into s minus 5. F minus 5, 9 into s is 9s minus 45, right? So 5s is equal to 40, then s equal to 8. Once s equal to 8, 4 into 8, 32, that should be the answer. Okay, but don't solve like this. Go through the answer choices: 28, 32, 40, 44. What's the question? Question is, the age of the man is 4 times that of his son. Check which are the options not a multiples of 4. No, all the options of multiples of 4. Okay, read the next line. 5 years ago the man was 9 times. Once, what's the meaning of the sentence? Once you subtract 5 from the present age, the value should be multiples of 9. Take first option, 28 minus 5, 23. Is it multiples of 9? No. 32 minus 5, 27. Is it multiples of 9? Yes. Wait for some time. 40 minus 5, 35. Is it multiples of 9? No. 44 minus 5, 39. Is it multiples of 9? No. So we have eliminated 3 options. Then 32 should be the correct answer. 10 years ago, A was half of B in age. If the ratio of their present ages is 3:4, what is the sum of their present ages? I am going to tell you 2 methods. The first method is using the normal equation. A minus 10 is equal to half of B minus 10. Am I right? This is the first equation. And their present ages in the ratio 3:4. A is to B is equal to 3:4. How can you write this one? A is equal to 3x and B is equal to 4x. Am I right? Okay, substitute here. 3x minus 10 is equal to half of 4x minus 10. Multiply this one. 6x minus 20 is equal to 4x minus 10. 4x comes here, then 2x is equal to 10. What is x? X equal to 5 means A is to be equal to 3 is to 4. So 3x plus 4x, right? 7x equal to 35. But no need to solve like this. The reason is A is to B is equal to 3:4. What's the sum of the ratio? Sum of ratio is 7. That means answer should be multiples of 7 in this answer choice. 35 only multiples of 7, that's answer. Have you understood? Here sum of the ratio is 7. That means answer should be multiples of 7. So 35 only multiples of 7. That should be the answer. Okay. Without solving like this, you can find out the answer easily. Next, a person's present age is 2/5 of the age of his mother. After 8 years, he will be 1/2 of age of his mother. How old is the mother at present? Here also I am going to explain you 2 methods. The first method is person P equal to 2/5 of mother's age, and after 8 years P plus 8 is equal to half of M plus 8. Okay, 2 into P plus 16 is equal to M plus 8, right? So 2p plus 16 is equal to M plus 8. In this one you can derive one thing. P by M is equal to 2/5, right? What is P is to Q? P equal to 2x, M equal to 5x. So substitute here. 4x plus 16 is equal to 5x plus 8. Okay, what is x? X equal to 8. X equal to 8. What's the question? How old the mother at present? So 5 into 8, 40. Answer should be 40. Okay, don't solve like this. The reason I'll tell you. You can find out the answer within 2 or 3 seconds. P is equal to 2/5 of M. Am I right? What is P by M? P by M equal to 2/5. What is P is to M? Is equal to 2:5. That means M should be multiples of 5. In this answer choice, 40 only multiples of 5. That should be the correct answer. The ages of A and B in the ratio 9:4. After 7 years, the ratio will be 5:3. Find B's present age. See, if I write A is to B is equal to, I am going to tell you two methods. In this question also I am going to tell you two methods. One is using equation, the other one is using the logic. A is to B is equal to 9 is to 4, right? So what is A? A equal to 9x and B equal to 4x. After 7 years the ratio will be 5 is to 3. That means 9x plus 7 divided by 4x plus 7, the ratio is given 5 by 3. Okay, multiply this. 27x plus 21 is equal to 20x plus 35. Right? 7x is equal to 14. What is x? X equal to 2. X equal to 2 means what is the value? B's present age. B is 4x, so 4 into 2, 8 years. Right? But don't do this. Go through the answer choices. 4, 8, 12 and 16, right? Okay. B's ratio is 4, right? A is to B 9 is to 4 means B should be multiples of 4. In this answer choice, all are multiples of 4. Okay, leave it. After 7 years, what's B's ratio? After 7 years, the B's ratio is 3. 3. That means after 7 years, B value should be multiples of 3. After 7 years, if I take 4, after 7 years, this is 11. Is it multiples of 3? No. After 7 years, this is 15. Is it multiples of 3? Yes. Wait for some time. 12 plus 7, 19. Is it multiples of 3? No. 16 plus 7, 23. Is it multiples of 3? No. We have eliminated 3 answer choices. So the left out is 8. So answer choice is 8. Have you understood?